Hey there, fellow investors. Ever heard of Acorns? This popular investing app has taken the world by storm, promising to make investing effortless. But here's the burning question: does Acorns actually earn you interest? We're diving deep into the world of Acorns today, uncovering how it works, what kind of returns you can expect, and whether it's the right fit for your investment goals. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows you to invest spare change. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, automatically rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.75, Acorns will invest the extra 25 cents. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not entirely magic. Let's break down how Acorns actually works and how it generates returns. How Acorns works. Acorns primarily invests your money in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are baskets of stocks or bonds that trade on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. Here's a simplified breakdown. Roundup investments: your spare change is automatically invested in ETFs aligned with your chosen investment portfolio. Portfolio options: Acorns offers several portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are designed to suit different risk tolerances and investment time horizons. Automatic investments: you can also set up recurring investments, allowing you to contribute a fixed amount to your Acorns account regularly. Does Acorns earn interest? Now, the big question: does Acorns earn interest? Not directly. Acorns doesn't pay interest on your deposits like a traditional savings account. Instead, your returns come from stock market growth. The primary driver of your returns will be the performance of the stock market. When the stock market goes up, the value of your ETFs will generally increase. Dividend income: some ETFs pay dividends to their shareholders. These dividends are reinvested automatically within your Acorns account, helping to compound your returns. Factors affecting returns. Several factors can influence your returns with Acorns. Market performance: the overall performance of the stock market is the most significant factor. Stock markets can fluctuate significantly, so your returns will vary over time. Portfolio choice: your chosen investment portfolio plays a crucial role. More aggressive portfolios generally have higher growth potential but also come with higher risks. Investment time horizon: the longer you invest your money with Acorns, the more time your investments have to grow. Acorns fees: Acorns charges a small management fee for its services, which can impact your overall returns. Acorns fees explained. Acorns has a tiered fee structure. Personal, $1 per month for accounts under $5,000. Family, $3 per month for accounts under $5,000. Late teens and young adults, $1 per month for accounts under $5,000. These fees are relatively low compared to some other investment platforms. Acorns versus traditional investing. How does Acorns compare to traditional investing methods like investing in individual stocks or using a discount brokerage? Pros of Acorns. Simplicity: Acorns is incredibly easy to use and requires minimal effort. Accessibility: it makes investing accessible to everyone, even those with limited financial knowledge. Micro-investing: the roundup feature allows you to invest small amounts consistently. Cons of Acorns. Limited control: you have limited control over your investments. Higher fees: while fees are relatively low, they can eat into your returns over the long term. Potentially lower returns: Acorns' diversified portfolios may not outperform the market in all conditions. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns can be a great option for beginners, if you're new to investing and want a simple and easy way to get started. Savers, if you want to automate your savings and invest small amounts consistently. Those with limited time, if you don't have the time or inclination to manage your investments actively. However, Acorns may not be the best choice if you're a seasoned investor, if you prefer to actively manage your investments and make your own decisions. You're looking for higher returns. Acorns' diversified portfolios may not provide the same level of potential returns as more aggressive investment strategies. You're on a tight budget. The monthly fees may be a significant expense for those with limited disposable income. Maximize your contributions. Contribute as much as you can afford to your Acorns account. Invest for the long term. The longer you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Rebalance your portfolio. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider tax implications. Understand the tax implications of investing with Acorns. So, does Acorns earn interest? Not directly, but it can generate significant returns through stock market growth and dividend income. Acorns is a user-friendly and accessible platform that can help you build wealth over time. However, it's important to understand how it works, its limitations, and whether it's the right fit for your individual needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.